Hi, I'm Boogie Waydon, founder of Synchrony. Synchrony is a wellness app built on the truth that healthy lives last longer when they are shared. So instead of tracking health alone, we help people stay well together through accountability, encouragement, and trusted validation. Synchrony is a body validated wellness app. Users pair up with a wellness buddy who helps validate habits like walking, exercise, hydration, or healthy routines. It turns wellness from a solo struggle into a shared commitment. Most wellness apps fail because they rely on self reporting and motivation alone. People start strong, then they stop. Synchrony solves this by introducing human validation. Your body confirms your activity, making wellness more social, more credible, and more sustainable. Our initial target market includes health conscious adults, workplace wellness programs, and communities where accountability matters, like families, friends, and peer groups. These are users who already want to be healthy but need consistency and support. What makes Synchrony different is trust. Instead of sensors or wearables alone, we use human validation. Wellness actions are confirmed by real people, which builds accountability, honesty, and emotional connection. That changes and it becomes more effectively than tracking alone. My vision is to make wellness relational, not transactional. Synchrony is not about perfection. It is about showing up for each other, one habit at a time. When health is shared, it lasts longer and feels more human. I'm the founder of Synchrony, Boogie Boy Don. My background is in technology, education, transformative digitalization, and digital trust systems. This app builds on my experience creating platforms that reward positive behavior and sustained engagement. Users sign up, choose a wellness goal, and pair with the body. When a user completes an activity, the body validates it through the app. Validated action builds streaks, scores, and progress. It is simple, social, and motivating. Here's a simple demo of the Synchrony app. What it shows is that the body system itself, the QR validation, and how you earn from validating each other's healthy habits. So to start, I just enter my name and my email address. This is just a prototype, so there is no user validation and authentication features yet. Once I'm inside the system, it will ask me who, which body I would want to pair with. Let's say I want to pair with Jordan Smith. Okay. You will see here that there are health activities that I've already prepared, and then if I have done them, I will ask my body to validate them. I can also, in turn, validate Jordan's habit. Okay. Now take note that right now I have 245 credits. This is the currency of the app and which users earn whenever they validate each other's health habits. Okay. So let's say that I go to Jordan's screen and Jordan sees that I have a pending habit to be validated. So he clicks on that and let us simulate the scanning of the QR code. So the idea is that he scans my QR code and in the process, I get validated with my health habit and I earn the rewards. So I earn 20. Okay. So let's see. And by the way, Jordan also earns 5 credits in the process. So let's go back to my screen and you will see that from 240, my credit is now 265. So that's basically how it works. And you can users can add more habits, and whenever they are able to accomplish them, they ask the body to validate it, and everyone earns credits in return. Thank you. Synchrony uses a freemium model. Core features are free for individuals. Premium plans are offered for organizations, wellness groups, and companies that want structured wellness challenges, analytics, and even rewards. Our go-to-market strategy starts with communities, workplaces, and pilot groups. We will onboard early adopters through partnerships, wellness challenges, and referral-driven growth. Social proof is central to our expansion. Phase 1 focuses on core body validation and habit tracking. Phase 2 adds analytics, rewards, and group challenges. Phase 3 expands into integrations with wellness programs, organizations and communities, and enterprise platforms. Unlike traditional fitness and wellness apps that rely on self-tracking or devices, Synchrony focuses on trust and human validation. We complement technology with relationships, which is our key differentiator. Synchrony is about living longer and better together. We invite you to join us in building a future where wellness is shared, trusted, and sustainable. Thank you.